Section 1. A slice of the pie. What is a stock? A stock is a small piece of a company that you can own. When you purchase a stock, you are not just buying a piece of paper or a number on a screen, you are buying a small fraction of a real business. This makes you a shareholder. As a shareholder, you become a part owner of that company. You have a claim on its assets and its earnings. If the company grows, the value of your piece, your stock, can go up. You share in the potential success, but you also share in the potential risks. Imagine a large, successful company, Apple, Toyota, as a whole pizza. Now imagine it is cut into millions, even billions, of equal slices. Each slice is a single share of stock. The value depends on what buyers will pay on any given day. This idea of ownership is the foundation of the stock market. Companies raise money for projects, research, and expansion by selling shares. Section 2. Not all slices are the same. There are different kinds of stock you can buy. The two most widespread types are common stock and preferred stock. Think of them as two kinds of tickets to the same movie. Both get you in, but with different perks and rules. Common stock is basic ownership and the most common type you hear about. It typically comes with voting rights for major decisions. You may receive dividends, a portion of profits, but they are not guaranteed. Companies can raise, lower, or stop dividends altogether. Preferred stock usually has no voting rights. In exchange, it often pays fixed dividends on a regular schedule. Preferred dividends are paid before common shareholders. Remember, common offers a vote, and more growth with uncertainty. Preferred offers predictability, with less growth. Many new investors start with common stock for its simplicity and direct link to a company's growth story. Section 3. 3 ways to buy your first stock. It is simpler than it sounds. The popular paths: using a broker, using a robo-advisor, or buying directly from the company. Open an investment account with a brokerage online, transfer money in, search for the stock you want to buy, place the order, and note any commission or trading fee. A robo-advisor invests for you based on your goals, age, and risk comfort, building a diversified portfolio. Some companies offer DSPPs so you can buy shares directly, often with low minimums and automatic investments. Not all companies offer DSPPs, and they limit you to that one company through the plan. Choose the path that fits you. Full control with a broker, convenience with a robo-advisor, or direct plans when available. Buying your first stock is exciting, but it is just the beginning of your investor journey. Think of it like a small garden. Check in, keep it healthy, decide its future. Know when to hold, when to sell, and how to protect against unnecessary risks. Some use buy and hold for years, riding out short-term ups and downs, while others trade more frequently, often with more time, fees, and taxes. Diversify. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Own several companies across different industries. If one stock struggles, others may balance the portfolio. Keep an eye on reports and major news, but make decisions based on facts, not fear or hype. Know your costs and taxes. They affect your true returns. Be patient. Stay diversified. Keep informed, and watch costs. We have walked through the basics together. A stock is a slice of a company. There are different kinds, common and preferred. You can buy via a broker, a robo-advisor, or directly from a company. Manage by diversifying and staying informed. Every expert started here. Learning one step at a time. You do not need to be an expert or risk a lot to start. Read, listen, and use educational resources. Your knowledge and confidence will grow. Investing is a marathon. Time and compounding do the heavy lifting. Many brokerages have no minimums and allow fractional shares. You can start with $5 or $10. Open an account with an amount you are comfortable with and buy your first stock or a fund. Hands-on experience turns theory into reality. Your journey from zero to owner begins now.